If you're a breadwinner, make sure to get life insurance because when a breadwinner dies, their income dies with them. So, paano na yung family? Paano na yung income? Paano na yung lifestyle? Kailangan ng kapalit na income and that's what life insurance does. If you are young and single, di maybe wala kang dependent, hindi ka siguro nagbibigay sa parents mo or sa kapatid mo, so prioritize health insurance. Kasi ang dependent mo will be you or the possible sick you in the future. So, kailangan merong health insurance. If you are a parent, for parents of young children, then maybe you can start prioritizing also education. Pwede ring life insurance. But for education, because it's a guaranteed expense. So, gagastusin mo rin naman yan in the future. So, why not start saving for today? If you have kids but they're older, probably they are adults now, graduate na sila or soon to graduate, then maybe you can start prioritizing your retirement. You have to prepare for your retirement kasi it's a very big expense. Yan yung pinaka magastos at mahabang expense natin, especially if you live long. If you don't have plans to have kids, and then maybe ang priority natin dapat is health insurance. Kasi again, ang priority mo para kung single or kahit dinks kayo, double income, no kids, priority nyo, maprotektahan yung sarili kasi kahit anong ipon natin, pag nagkaroon ng health crisis, pag wala tayong separate health fund, mauubos din yung mga naipon natin. And of course, pwede rin retirement. Simulan mo na mag-prepare for retirement kasi wala rin namang mag-aalaga sa'yo. Diba? Walang ibang magbibigay ng pondo sa'yo. Diba? So now, if you are a business owner, an entrepreneur, maybe your investment sa business, malaki na yung return. So you don't need to invest your money elsewhere. However, you can mitigate the risk by getting sa middle, life insurance and health insurance. Sobrang important that you have a separate fund that goes to your family in case the breadwinner dies or the business owner dies. Kasi the business probably might die with them because of goodwill. Ganon din sa health insurance. No? So, doon mo kailangan i-protect kasi wala namang ibang negosyo na magbibigay ng instant big money sa'yo pag nagkasakit ka kung hindi health insurance lang. Kung gusto mo naman, may papamana ka sa family mo. If something happens, gusto mo may maiwan ka na amount of money, kung magkano yun, magkano man yun, life insurance can solve that. A life insurance plan or an endowment plan, which is also a life insurance plan, can solve that. Get life insurance, get endowment, insured ka ngayon, and then something happens, may maiiwan ka, matatransfer mo yung wealth mo sa family mo. So it's also good in estate planning, very good din siya sa mga negosyante. Now, if you're that type of person that you don't want to be a burden to other people, especially pag tumanda ka, di ba? So, start planning for retirement. Kasi nga, napag-usapan natin, malaki ang gastos for retirement. So, dapat, kaysa umasa tayo sa ibang tao, if you don't want to be burdened to your kids when you get old, dapat mayroon kang big retirement fund. And at the same time, health insurance. Health insurance din. Whether you're young today, you're single today, and ayaw mo maging burden sa kapatid mo, sa parents mo, sa ibang tao, health insurance din yun. So it also works for people who are nearing retirement or young and single pa lang din. Lastly, if you just want to save for something in the future at hindi mo pala alam kung saan mo siya gagamitin, then just get something for accumulation and probably start saving for retirement muna. And then kung mayroon kang plans na mas maaga mo siya gagamitin, so pwede rin. Basta long term yung perspective dapat.